Alright, guys, I will attempt to get to you guys again.
Oh yeah, not if I shoot you.
I've worked hard for
You might have
this.
to.
I can't get on, you guys. No! No! Oh, no, 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 no.
I saw that.
No! No, I landed in the lake. Or whatever the ocean, I don't really care what it's
Fireworks.
called.
Yay!
She's happy that I
Fireworks
found the
alarm.
lake. Hi. Hi, ow! What was that for? What was that for? I was nice, and you guys just gunned me down. That's it. I'm getting a rocket launcher. This is going down.
We are going way too slow.
I thought you do know me. I'm not a stranger. You know, technically, this could be counting as. Oh crap! We can't. We won't be able to make it. Hold on. Did the train stop? The train stopped. That is so convenient.
No. Train, go.
Wait, Fawn, stay right there. Don't go by me for a second.
No. No. What are you
That's
doing?
it.
Where's Josh?